Triple unboxing! Shit's gonna be epic as fuck! What's up, guys? It's me, Jonathan AJ8 coming here to you with a new video pickup. Hell yeah! I got these sneakers around the same time. Got them all for a good deal, so I decided to make a video real quick on the haul I got, all these 3 pairs of Jordans that I got for my collection. Let's see, I got this first pair when it came out for the release, and then the other 2 pairs I got from the GOAT app, and there's 1 pair I got on eBay for less than retail, because I didn't want to. I knew these things were gonna sit. I just didn't want to pay retail, but I really did want these sneakers for my collection, so I went out and bought it. And right now I'm missing only 1 more GR for this model, and then the DB minus all the, I don't think I'm gonna pick up the low tops, but that's pretty much it. But I pretty much have the whole collection except for like a couple of them, and the low tops. But I will be doing a collection video once. I don't know what I'm gonna be. I don't know when I'm gonna be doing a collection video for this model, but it's gonna be coming soon. Just yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want to see a collection video of this model. I'll be doing this anyway, so whatever. First things first, I'll go from the most. I don't know if I'll go for recent, but I go for the latest one first. Here you go. Obviously, I'm a Jordan guy, so all these are gonna be Jordans. So here you go. This is the Air Jordan 8 cool gray colorway. Cool gray. Boom. I took out the insoles for my sneaker. I don't want to mess up the Jordan on the insole. Bam. I picked these up at Foot Action for with the 20% off discount. So I got these for exactly like 185-ish or 190-ish, 190 I think, with the 20% discount off at code at Foot Action. I really like this clean ass colorway, I really do. It got gray. The whole thing is Wolf Grey. Got the nice design pattern over there. Here to take a look at the sole. You got all gray, white, Wolf Grey on the bottom. White Jumpman. Pretty sick. Nice clean looking shoe. You got the gray Chanel tennis ball, carpet, felt feeling tongue right there. I love this so much on the Air Jordan 8s. That's the inner Hirachi booty. I like the way they made the inside of this sneaker. It's cool. There's a sizing tag. I wear size 8.5. Pretty much nothing much else to say about the sneaker. It's pretty simple, nice clean colorway. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about this colorway, and yeah, definitely a sneaker I would wear during the fall time. Nice quality too. The suede, you can see the actual difference if you brush it. I don't know if you can pick that up. Not really, but it feels really nice. That's the only thing. My only gripe is the material they use on the back. I don't know about that. It's a little questionable, but it's still nice. When you put your feet in this, it's so comfortable. I love the way the 8s feel when you put them on feet. And of course, this is the way I like to lace them up. I like to unstrap them and then put the straps like this. I don't know why. I like the way they look from the sides. When you look at them from the side, I like the way they look when you're walking. It's pretty nice. I like it. And then of course on the back heel you have the stitched in 1993 actually, 93, stitching on the pull tab on the back. That's pretty much it for the Cool Grey 8. let's get going on to the next sneaker. Now this one, these two pickups were recent. Let me do the GOAT app after, but here you go. These are DS yet. I haven't used them yet, but I will be using them when I do the on feet video. I picked these up on eBay for like $150. So, and the retail price, as you can see, is $190. Here's again my size 8.5. This is the Air Jordan 8 black gym red black wolf gray. These are the Breds, the Bred 8s, guys. Fucking clean colorway. I love this colorway. It's so nice. When I saw them in pictures, I really wanted this colorway so badly. Finally got them in hand, but it really did. I wanted to pick them up in store, but you know, I had to wait. You know me, and waiting. I didn't want to wait, but so I just looked them up on eBay. Maybe they were going for, you know, that price that's really good. So I found them on eBay for $150 from an eBay seller. I forget the guy's name, but yeah. Usually I can tell right away if 8s are fake. You can easily tell if an 8 is fake. So just by the pictures alone, you can tell easily if an 8 is fake. So, but I saw the pictures, they're legit. So, yep. Tell this, because most of the fakes, this pattern, this little patch right here would be like smaller, or you can tell right away, but just by the way it looks. What else can I say about this? Another clean colorway for the Air Jordan 8. I didn't lace these up yet, but I usually just take out the straps, unstrap them. But I didn't do that yet for the sneaker. They got that nice Air Jordan Playoff 8 type of tongue right there. Red Jumpman with the Chanel. Pretty dope. And then on the sole, it's beautiful. Beautiful touch on the sole. You got the red. Get the black, gray, and then the white Jumpman on the bottom. Fucking beautiful. On the lateral side, you get the same patterning, the gray, the black, and the hit over there. Pretty nice. Insole, you have all black, and then you have the sizing tag on the inside. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. Here's a look at the shoes right next to each other, side by side. Nice, crispy. Just how clean these 8s look. I just love it. I don't know why. Can't wait to get those last pair of 8s. I'm missing the Peapods, by the way. The Peapod 8s are like the last ones I'm missing from my collection. The bottom of these are so clean. I like the red. Let me know which one you like better of the two that we have here that I showed you so far. The Bred or the Wolf Grey. I like them both equally, but obviously most people are gonna go for these because they're all black and they're easy to match with. You can go with anything. Black can go with anything basically. And finally, I've been wanting these for the longest time, and I got them from the GOAT app for a really good price of $120. Thank you to the seller. Man, I thought these were gonna come in like a little beat or something, but they look pretty clean for the $120 price. Damn, thank you so much to that GOAT seller. You are the GOAT of this pickup, because I was really trying not to spend that much money, and I just needed it for the collection, you know. I'm definitely gonna be using this, but not that often. I know this eventually this is gonna soul separate. Just like my Aqua 8 from 07, just like my women's Ice Blue 8s. Those definitely gonna soul separate. These are definitely gonna soul separate after a few wears. I'm never, especially with 8s, never wear them in the sun when it's too hot. Never wear them in the sun, because they'll just crumble on you with the heat on the sole of the sneaker. They're just gonna crumble and soul separate without you even walking. So never wear any old sneaker when it's really, really hot out, because bad shit will just happen. And here we go. You got the old, like 2007, 2008-ish type of Jordan box. These came out, I think, in 07. I'm pretty 07, 08, 06. I don't remember what year, but I forgot. But these are the women's. These are the women's 8s right here. Air Jordan 8, white varsity red bright Concord. You know what this shit is. Here's the GOAT app authenticity. Verifying is authentic. You have the Air Jordan 8 retro card. I always love that retro card. Bam, motherfuckers. We got the Air Jordan White Aquas, women's White Aqua 8s here, and in my size too. I've been wanting these for the longest time. Also, I've been looking at prices for these for the past couple of years, looking for a nice, good one that's in good shape. Almost dropped them both. I'm looking for one that was in good shape, and thank God to the GOAT app, somebody put it up for a nice, decent price. Very decent price, because these things would probably go for like $160, $200, and then brand new ones of these would probably go for like $300. Well, who would buy these in brand new condition, especially that price? You know, you wear it one or two times, they'll probably crumble on you, even if they're brand new. Maybe you be able to use them more than a couple times, but still, I love the way they made these sneakers. Plus, that I don't know why they should do more of that inner pattern on the inside of the Huarache. Just because it just looks so good. I love the way the patterns are on the insole of this. And this one is just in general. This is a very unique colorway right here. It's the white aquas. I like the color of the teal. It's nice. It's really, really cool. The yellow hit too. You don't really see yellow that often on Air Jordan 8s. That's a pretty nice, really, really nice touch. And yeah, I really hope to see more yellow in Air Jordan 8s in the future. I love the hit of Concord right there on the strap on the 23. Fucking amazing. I like everything about the sneaker, man. Even on the tongue, as you can see, you have the again a nice same as the black aquas, the same color Concord, like the teal and the black with the red Jumpman. If you put the black aquas and white aquas side by side, you see the patches are the same, minus of course around here. This is black on the black aqua 8s. Let's take a look at the medial side again. You have the blue teal hit with the yellow hit, and then finally we got the bottom, which is freaking cool as hell. Nice dark purple Concord sole with the hit of yellow and the red Jumpman. Nothing can beat that, man. I love the way that they made these. So nice. The person that sold these, man, thank you so much, man. Thank you just for my collection. This is a very big help, especially for the price you gave. Thank you so much for offering that price. Really, really, really happy I have this finally in my collection after so many years of me wanting these. Let me know in the comments what you think about this particular colorway. I've seen these on feet a couple times at the New York sneaker con. I saw on one person's feet. Yeah, these are 8s are very, very slept on, but my personal favorite Air Jordan silhouette. Yep. And let me know in the comments below if you have the Peapod 8s. I need those in a size 8.5 for my collection. I don't really want them too beat. I really do want them just look nice and clean. So, you know, just in my collection, you know, pretty much. Yep. So guys, let me know what you want to see next. The next pickup, I don't know what I'm gonna be picking up next. The only other sneaker I do really want for the rest of the year is probably the UNC 6s, which is coming at the end of the year. I don't really want any other Jordans that are coming out. And you guys know me, I don't really buy any other style of sneakers, just my Jordan brand. And what can I say, man? Sneaky YouTubers. Alright guys, this is Jonathan from Broski. Stay up and have a good one. Peace.